Imagine if you could learn skills during this December holidays that can help you make money in 2025. I know it's December and most students are looking forward to a well-deserved break, but I'm about to talk about something that can potentially set you up for 2025. In this video, I'll be sharing 4 skills that I've personally used to make money as a student. Where possible, I'll be sharing how much I made and why I think these skills are important if you're a student trying to make extra income. The last one is my personal favorite because I made the most amount of money from it, so make sure that you stick around until the end. The first skill is social media content creation. In 2024 alone, I made $5,000 for just 2 TikTok videos. Imagine getting paid $5,000 to make 2 60-second videos. I know someone who was also paid 50,000 rands for 1 TikTok video, but they're an exception because they have close to 200,000 followers on TikTok. The thing about making money from social media is it takes time and consistency. You need to post a lot of free content to build an audience, and then after, when you have an audience, brands will approach you so that they can pay to reach your audience. But this doesn't happen overnight. If you don't enjoy creating content, then it will be difficult to stay consistent and difficult to build that audience. Here's how you get started. You pick one social media platform. TikTok and YouTube are the best option right now because it's easier to build an audience in those 2 platforms. Secondly, you go to YouTube and then you learn how the algorithm works for that specific platform, right? So if you chose YouTube, you go and learn how the YouTube algorithm works. Or if you chose TikTok, you learn how the TikTok algorithm works. Thirdly, you go and get some inspiration. So you go and consume a lot of content from the creators that you enjoy, right? Or from a specific topic that you find interesting. And then lastly, you start creating content of your own. So the more you do it, the better you become. So all you need to do is just start creating content, and then the rest will be history. So if you're passionate about creating content, definitely follow these 4 steps so that you can start creating content and possibly make money from your content. The second skill that you definitely need to learn is video editing. So I haven't personally made money directly from selling this skill, but I've made some money indirectly. For example, I was checking my YouTube studio the other day and I realized that I made $7 from YouTube. That's how much? That's like 120 rand, right? I know. YouTube is like a girlfriend. It takes your time, your money, and peace of mind. No, I'm joking. I really enjoy making this type of videos, so make sure that you click that subscribe button if you haven't to join the community, and make sure that you snap that like button so that we can reach more people and change more lives. Now back to the video. So video editing is a high demand skill because a lot of creators need video editors to help them out. Personally, I'm also looking for a video editor so that I can edit these videos because it takes a lot of time to edit videos. So if you want to earn an extra buck, you can learn how to video edit, and then you can provide your service to YouTubers or other creators. So if you want to learn how to do video editing, you can start with free software such as CapCut, and then you go to YouTube, you search for tutorials and also courses on how to video edit, and there are millions and millions of courses out there to learn how to video edit. And as you practice more and you master or you refine your craft, then you can start approaching creators and saying, I can help you out, and then you can pay me whatever amount you wish to pay me. So video editing is a very high demand skill, and I promise you, if you take your December to learn it, then you can thank yourself later. The third skill you can learn is web development, and this skill has the highest income potential. Most businesses need websites for their businesses, right? And they're willing to pay from 2,000 rand and above to get a website. I personally designed the website for my business, Genius App, and kid me not, by the time we had a website, we started getting business like crazy because people started taking us seriously. So most businesses do need a website so I can start making more money. What's great about web development is you don't need coding skills, right? There are platforms such as WordPress and Wix that are easy to use, right? And they also offer a free plan whereby you can go and practice for free, right? So all you need to do is to sign up for a free plan for either WordPress or Wix, and then after that, you go to YouTube, search for courses on how to to make websites on WordPress or how to make websites on Wix. And then after that, you just plug and play, right? You drag and drop. It's as easy as that. No coding skills required. And once you are confident in your skills, you can start selling those website designs that you created on either of the platforms, or you can start offering your services to small businesses and saying, I can create a website for you and all you need is just to pay me this amount of money. And this is a great skill also if you've always had that entrepreneurial edge and you wanted to start your own business. You can use that skill to create your own website so that people can take you more seriously and then you can make more money. Finally, my favorite and most rewarding skill is learning how to start and run a business. For those who don't know, I run Genius Up, which is a tutoring and academic coaching company. And what we basically do is we help students become top performers, not only in school, but in all areas of life. And most of our income comes from partnering with scholarships and bursary programs, and then we offer our services to their students. We also offer private tutoring. As mentioned earlier, my online audience has really played a key role in driving clients to my business as well. So how do you get started? Firstly, I'd advise you to start reading business books. This will help you get ideas and also understand how business works. I've probably read 1 million business books in my entire lifetime. I even lost count. And I'm looking at this one next to me right now. It's my brother's book. It's called Navigating the Odyssey, a playbook for your entrepreneurial journey by Brian Malambo. This is a very powerful book because it teaches you how to start a business from scratch and also how to scale it, build systems for your business. Really a powerful book. I'm going to leave the link down in the description if you want to get it. Or if you don't want to get this one, you can basically get free books off the internet. So what you do is you go to YouTube or TikTok or Google and search best business books, right? And then you get the names of the books and then you search on Google that, okay, cool, Rich Dad Poor Dad PDF. And then you'll find the PDF versions for free and then you can download them and start reading. You don't need to buy an actual physical book in order to start learning. You can learn for free. But if you have a few bucks to spare, then you can buy. And secondly, it's also tied to the first point. Make sure that you spend December consuming a lot of knowledge as possible. Also watch YouTube videos, also get a mentor that will help you about business or teach you about how business works. So just consume as much knowledge as you can. And lastly, I want you to start, right? So Jan, Feb, make sure that you start. Start scared, start broke, even if you feel like you're not ready, because there'll never be a perfect time. Start. And the more you do it, the more you learn how to run a business. Even I personally, there are still areas I'm lacking in, right? And I always identify them. I'm like, okay, Blessing, I feel like you're lacking in this area. And I go find books in that area, read more books, take a course in that area so I can develop myself as a person and make sure that I'm constantly fixing those areas in which I'm lacking in. And the more I do it, the more money the business starts making. And what's nice is all the skills that I've mentioned prior, your social media, your web development, your video editing can help your business come to life, right? Like I've mentioned before that I created my first website for my business myself. And currently we're working on revamping the website, relaunching and rebranding our company Genius Up. And I'm bringing in professionals, people to build the website and the systems from scratch. Imagine if you knew web development, you'd be offering those services to me. So it's very important to learn skills outside of your degree if you want to earn extra income, or if you want to upskill yourself and be a well-rounded person and not only focused on I'm studying accounting, I only know accounting. It's very important to also have knowledge in other fields because the world is moving digital. If you don't know how to do website, if you don't know how social media works, then you're definitely being left behind. And there you have it, guys. Here are the 4 skills that you can learn during this December holidays to start making money in 2025. Firstly, social media, video editing, web development, and starting and running a business. And if any of these skills resonate with you, then start learning now. Remember, the earlier you start, the better. And the goal is for you to genius up, not only in school, but in all areas of life. Let me know in the comment section which skill you are excited to start learning. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. And let's make 2025 a great year. Cheers.